Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of viewing your replies in X. Your replies represent the comments and interactions you've made on various posts. So, let's dive into the full guide. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Take a moment to launch the app and ensure you're on the home screen. Step 2. Look for the account icon in the top left corner of the app. Give it a tap to access your account settings and profile. Step 3. In your profile, you'll find a slider below your name, picture, and bio. Tap on Profile, and then select Replies from the slider options. By viewing your replies in X, you can easily keep track of the conversations you've participated in. It's a great way to stay engaged with the community and see how your comments have sparked discussions. Remember to check your replies regularly to respond to any new comments and continue the conversation. X's reply feature allows you to connect with others and build meaningful connections. Thank you for watching our full guide on how to view your replies in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides.